2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat first test. This SUV goes like a scalded viper.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
Is it wrong that every time we fired up the 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat we got a vivid mental image of our entire family screaming while we attacked a decreasing radius off-ramp, a gleeful cackle on our lips as the Dodge's rear end hung out wide? It takes serious restraint that we're not sure we have, not to antagonize passengers with this 710 HP SUV-shaped mass driver, or perhaps it would thrill them. Your passengers might be more amenable to physics experiments than some of ours. Either way, do everybody a favor and ask first. Whoever's in the Durango Hellcat, and whatever their interest level in testing the limits, there's no denying it's a formidable machine. Maybe absurd as more accurate. It's not like there's something novel about the Durango's mechanicals. It's standard Hellcat stuff with an all-wheel drive system closely related to that in the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. But it feels awfully novel to roll around with the knowledge that this family hauler can run an 11.7-second quarter mile at 117.3 mph. The bizarre juxtaposition of drag strip prowess and strip mall practicality makes it all infinitely more entertaining. The Durango Hellcat never lets you forget it's not your average mall crawler. The exterior clearly communicates the Durango's adrenaline enhancement. Its deep basso profundo exhaust note as a movie adventure soundtrack, and it cracks on like you've dropped a Mentos into a bottle of carbonated thunder. The 3.4-second run to 60 miles per hour we put down in testing does the thunder metaphor justice with crackling sound and a furious supercharger whine. This is a 3-row SUV that weighs 5,512 pounds on our scales, yet it will rip to 100 miles per hour in 8.4 seconds. Even the context you must use to understand the Durango Hellcat's capabilities is baffling. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500? It's as much as 0.3 seconds slower to 60 miles per hour. 2016 Dodge Viper ACR? Dead heat, and the Durango's close to both at the end of the quarter mile. 2 all-wheel drive and excellent launch control programming play a strong role in converting the Durango Hellcat's 710 horsepower into forward-thrusted mid-libet that shouldn't diminish the impressive company this SUV keeps.
0.4s greater than. Our test team, who's seen and measured it all, isn't likely to offer praise unless it's warranted. But the logbook records admiration, praise, and a stark reality. Wow, this thing is quick. Associate road test editor Eric Iapana noted, "That's an assessment that even a few minutes of driving on the street confirms wholeheartedly. And yet the fury doesn't explode forth unless you've summoned it with an intentional swat of the throttle. Drive it gently. And it's a tame big cat, purring all the while." If there's one thing that stops the Durango Hellcat, and most Hellcats we've tested, actually from achieving all-around excellence, it's the brakes. On the street and in testing, on 2 different examples, all drivers noted uninspired brake performance. The numbers from brake testing aren't bad, a best stop of 110 feet from 60 miles per hour, right on par with performance SUVs like the 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio or the 2020 Audi SQ7, but a long pedal and iffy feel influenced driver confidence. On our Figure 8 course, road test editor Chris Walton noted that the brakes are only barely adequate to slow this thing down from the speeds it goes. In a controlled environment, that's inconvenient. But when you're romping on the Durango Hellcat on a fun stretch of road, it can be downright discomforting.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.